Hey, Prophet in this bitch. Ghetto boy in this bitch. Never gonna stop, gotta get the grit. We gon' pop off, put him in his place. Non-stop thuggin', I'ma go and get it paid. F.E.B, yeah, I'm rockin' with the gang. Non-stop thuggin', talk, go and get it paid. Headed to the top, so I know they all snaking. I be on the grind, nigga, I'ma get it baked and knock a nigga off. No, I never change it. Life that I live, it can never be basic. Pull up on the block, we gon' let it blow. Fuck the ops and the cops, till they lock me up. Talking all the gang shit, I keep it flamed up. Westside, Motown, homie, nigga know what's up. Ghetto boy on the block, tryna get it paid. Non-stop thuggin', I'ma go and get it made. F.E.B, yeah, I told you, yeah, I'm with the gang. Niggas switched up, yeah, I know they bitched up. Talking all the gang shit, we don't show love. Haters wanna hate, so I come and blow up. Leave him in the grave with his fucking nose up. Ice to his neck, gotta give respect. Snatch the chains, leaving bodies in the grave. I never played, built like a fucking slave. These niggas hate, cops gon' make it rain. Kick it back though, gon' get that money paid. Nah, I ain't never gon' stop, no, I never play. Niggas switched up on the motherfucking game. Niggas talking all this shit, but I know they hate. Catch them lacking, I'ma send them to the hell gates. Pop off with them shots, I'ma let it rain. Nah, I ain't never gon' quit, no, I never play. Ghetto boy with the 9-Glock. And if they really want that shit, make them motherfuckers Millie Rock. Ghetto boy, and we pop off. And I'm headed to the top, and these niggas off. Oh, you better watch. Yeah, I keep it clutch. Now I ain't care about them suckers, yeah, you getting cut. Leave them dead in the grave, I ain't never play. I'ma pop off, yeah, it's like it's Mac Dre. I'ma crash niggas, I ain't never gon' play. Niggas switched on these niggas, get up from away. I'll leave them in the grave, he ain't going home. Niggas really talk shit, we gon' let it blow. Leave him dead up in the grave, I'ma let it blow. I'm a real ghetto boy, I'ma let you know. We gon' pop with that gang, never stop, never change. Get licks in broad day, go get that pay. I ain't stop, I ain't play. I kick like it's stank, all gon' get it paid. Nigga, get up out my face, gang.
Take a blunt to the face, like Snoop and Dr. Dre. Give a fuck what he say, hit him with the AK. Fuck with the squad, we gon' let the motherfucking chopper spray. Kick his ass like motherfucking Luke Kane. Feeling like Chief Keef, nigga, bang, bang, bang. We gon' snatch your chain if you let that thing hang. Going to a gun range, we gon' let that chopper sing. 150 rounds going straight to your house. Bad nigga a snitch, a rat and a mouse. Fuck it with F.E.B, get hit in your mouth. How you gon' talk shit when you sleep on the couch? And we gon' take your bitch when she see this big amount. See these fucking racks, they bigger than a mountain. And our diamonds dripping more than a fountain. Born in the north, not born on the south end. Shout out to them boys that's born in the south end.